Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be talking about the things that I plan to do in regards to this year. And I know what you guys thinking, if I was going to do a video about something like New Year's resolutions, I probably should have done it at the beginning of this month. But what can I tell you, December and January, those 2 months are, for me personally, the most busiest months since, you know, you're going to hang out with friends, people are traveling either here or there, so I really didn't have time to, sit down and actually make this video. But enough of the excuses. So yeah, 2022, it's here, and I feel like I want to just talk to you guys about some announcements, some things that I plan to do with the channel, or in terms of my non-existent art career yet. So yeah, first things first, I'm going to, well, let me first talk about social media and all aspects of it. I'm starting with Instagram. If you guys want to follow my Instagram, or you want to see more personal pieces, you can always follow my Instagram, and you can also follow it if you want to see like small snippets of my personal life as well. Also, if you want to see my face, go check out my Instagram. It's, again, I keep saying this, it's not a secret as to what I look like. If you care, you'll see me. You just have to look somewhere, like in my highlights, and you'll eventually see me. It's honestly not worth doing a face reveal because, honestly, who cares? So yeah, that's Instagram. Again, I think most artists or most people acknowledge that Instagram has definitely changed in terms of how art gets circulated. So personally, I believe that Instagram is no longer viable. Well, that's not true. Let's just say I somewhat given up trying to build a massive following on Instagram. It's hard to be an artist on Instagram currently. It's not the same Instagram that it was back in pre-2016, if that makes any sense. So yeah, next thing, Twitter. I do have a Twitter. I don't use it that often because I have, personally, I'm not on social media a lot in general, but I do realize that there is a use for it. So I'm gonna start using Twitter more to start, communicating with you, since you guys, like, a lot of people have been following me there recently, and a lot of people have been DMing me on Twitter, since that's probably one of the more easier places to contact me. And the problem is, people are contacting me, but I'm not seeing the messages sometimes because I'm not on Twitter, or I'm not on social media that much. But I'm going to make an effort, so you guys can follow me on Instagram or Twitter or wherever, or you can just follow my YouTube. Honestly, that's actually just fine too. Next, Twitch. I hear a lot of my friends are saying that I should live stream more. The problem with that is my equipment, I don't think it's good enough for me to stream, because I've been trying recently and it's been lagging for me, or the connection or the stream is being cut off, and I don't know as to why it is. I'm assuming it's because my equipment or my tech is pretty old. Plus I'm streaming from my iPad, so it's not really like a direct monitor mirroring from the iPad to my laptop. I have to use a separate program to make that happen. So I might get a drawing tablet, like a Wacom, specifically for the purposes for streaming. But again, please do not follow my Twitch yet, at least not yet, until I'm fully ready. But if you actually, you can follow if you're going to play the long game and see what I do with that. It's gonna happen. I just don't have the means to stream yet. Next, Patreon. I have a Patreon. I don't really promote it that much because for a while I always considered it to be very embarrassing, but I realized, what was that? I realized that I can't be embarrassed about what I want to do in terms of an art career, because if that's the case, then I won't get anywhere with it. So yeah, I have a Patreon, and I will start promoting that at the end of my videos too. I might make like cards or like pop-ups or like things that show up at the end of the video talking about my Patreon or my other social media accounts. As for what's gonna be there, I'm gonna show like this stuff on the screen while at the same time having a drawing or a speed lapse, time lapse at the background, because I feel like I haven't shown you guys any time lapses in a long time, or my art in general in a long time. So it's gonna be in the background. But in terms of my Patreon, or what I'm going to be putting on my Patreon, that's gonna be up to you guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm going to be putting up personal sketches, or I guess behind the scenes stuff, I guess, like images. I'll have the HD files, I'll have the sketches, and I'll have the time lapses for you, and I'll keep it exclusively there. Of course, you guys are always gonna get my art on my Instagram and Twitter. Like, you're always gonna get some sort of influx of my art. But I guess what I've been told, if you want to, tell people about the good things, like you want to show people the good stuff, like the behind the scenes sketches, the processes, or even tutorials if you guys really want that, I guess I'll just have it on my Patreon for those who really like me for some reason and want to see my personal art stuff. I might just keep it there. Artist analysis though, that I might put stuff earlier on Patreon but eventually put on YouTube, because I don't want to bar so much of the things that I do on Patreon behind a paywall. I feel like that's a bit annoying, if that makes sense. I don't know why I consider I'm trying to make a living too. I have bills to pay, guys. But yeah, that's Patreon. It's sort of fully set up now. Again, I'll show the pictures to give you guys an idea of what I'm going to post in terms of like the final image, the sketch, and the time lapse. I might do a Discord server too. Again, I'll do tutorials or specialized videos for certain people that, if you guys ask for it. But yeah, also just to and I guess the last thing for social media is YouTube. This year has been really good with me in terms of YouTube. I finally got to last year I finally got to 1,000 subscribers, and I also got monetized at last. It took a while, but I'm finally there, because even after I got to 1,000 subscribers, I still wasn't monetized yet. And I've been doing collabs. I did a collab with Chris Mason. I did a collab with YH Otaku. And I'm keeping my eyes open now for like different things people are doing. Like the Nomad has been hitting me up. I'm looking forward to his video and about Tatsuki Fujimoto. I'm looking forward to that. I've been keeping an eye on people like Yeti Mic and other rising artists, or I guess anime YouTubers, although I'm not technically an anime YouTuber. I stand by this. I am an artist channel. Just of my own breed, I guess, of an artist channel that mixes in the anime and the manga. So yeah. And again, artist analysis will always be a thing here, since that's literally what I guess gave me all this attention. And but I also want to keep it an art focus to everything, because again, I don't qualify myself to be someone to analyze stories, characters, and things like that, but I am good with art. So there's that. I'm going to be doing, I guess, different types of art videos, because the video I did about the personal art style, that is doing very well, so I might do other videos derivative of that as well. And right, the vlogs, people liked the vlog I did for Anime NYC, so I'm definitely going to be doing more of that, although those will be very sparse and far in between, since yeah, I'm not really recording my life as it happens too much, and I keep forgetting to record when I am out and about, which is very frequently, actually. If I say so myself, I'm always hanging out with someone, I realize. And it's also doesn't help with my YouTube channel in that respect, to be fair. But yeah, I might upload a vlog very soon, actually, since I did get a lot of footage of the things that have been happening December and January, or what happened in January thus far. So yeah, so I guess, yeah, that's all my social media. That's like, that's Instagram, Twitter, Twitch, Patreon, YouTube, and yeah, again, I plan to really kick this off with new types of videos, content. I want to do more art stuff, because I feel like I've been talking a lot about art and not really doing art, if that makes sense. And I'm looking forward to collabing again with other people, if you guys want to. I know my voice could sound very monotone and deadpan. In fact, again, all my friends tell me that I sound very tired, and that's because I am tired. I'm always tired. So if I sound exhausted in the mic, I apologize. This is just my voice. And also note that this video is not scripted, because I'm tired of writing scripts. So yeah, it is what it is. And yeah, thank you so much for all the people watching this video and that got to the end of the video. I hope you stick around. I hope you will follow me on my other social media platforms. Will try not to be toxic, because social media lends itself to be toxic. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, comment, and like the video, because you can't dislike it anyway. So why not like it? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. And I'm praying 2022 will be an amazing year, and I can feel it. It will be an amazing year.